So I'm here today. I'm going to upcycle my hat for you guys. So I thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a great big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. For this project, you will need, obviously, your hat from the Dollar Tree, fabric, your hot glue gun, and your needle and thread. You could do this by hand or with a sewing machine. The first thing is to simply remove the already attached ribbon around your hat. It's only just glued on here, and let's see. Yeah, it's literally just glued on the hat with, it looks like glue gun. So if you're kind of delicate, you might be able to actually get it off like I am, so that you could reuse this ribbon for something else down the road. Just be a little careful because you don't want to rip the straw. I have this already on hand fabric. I find this to be beautiful. I am going to simply cut a strip just the same as the strip here, maybe a little bit wider. So I have my fabric here that I am going to cut into about double this size as that was on my Dollar Tree hat, because I'm going to fold it and I'm going to make a tube out of it and then attach it to my hat. So the first thing you do is, because this is longer than my measuring mat, I'm going to fold my fabric in half. I'm going to line it all up. And I'm just going to trim it with my rotary cutter. Tube is all pinned together, and now I'm just going to stitch it up. Don't forget to back stitch and do a little forward stitch at the beginning and the end of your sewing project to lock your thread in place. I'm going to use my bobbin here to the right side of my fabric in the tube the other way. So you just pinch that down, secure that little hook, and you just feed your fabric through until you can reach it on the other end and pull it out. My tube is now all sewn up. I've got it inside out. And the next thing to do is just tuck in the edges and just straight stitch across so that there's no messy seams sticking out. Now I'm applying just some hot glue to attach my fabric to my hat. Right, my fabric is attached all the way around, so now I'm simply going to tie this in a knot once and twice and add a little bit more hot glue just to secure everything in place. Is complete. This was a real simple project. Now I have my own custom fabric attached to the top instead of the Dollar Tree one that looks like it's from the Dollar Tree. Now it doesn't. Now it has that extra special personal touch. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY tutorial on how to upcycle your Dollar Tree beach hat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.